Did you know you don't need a Windows installation file or bootable USB drive to reinstall Windows? Hey there, I'm Reza, and in this video I want to show you how to reinstall Windows with Reset This PC tool very quickly. The great advantage of this method is that your data will not be deleted. This means that files you have on the desktop and software you have installed on the C drive will be kept and will not be deleted. Before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel right now. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Let's get started. To use this tool, go to Windows Settings, search for Reset and click on Reset This PC. Now, click on Reset PC. In this message, you choose whether files inside your C drive will be deleted or not. By pressing the Keep My Files button, all your files will be kept, and Windows files with all Windows settings will be reset. But by pressing the Remove Everything button, Windows will be installed the old way, and the C drive will be formatted and all files inside it will be deleted. I choose the Keep My Files option. In this step, you need to specify whether the Windows installation file is to be downloaded from the internet or reinstall Windows from local files inside your Windows. No need to download from the internet. Click on Local Reinstall. Click on Next. In this window, you can see all reset settings, and if it's OK, click on Reset button and reset will be a start. Before click on Reset button, you can see the apps that will be removed by clicking here. Click on Back button and click Reset. Now, wait for reset to start. Well, as you can see, Windows was easily installed for me. Even the works we did in the old way of installing Windows were not done here anymore, and reinstalling Windows was much easier. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment, my friend. Have a good time.